Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use transcript features on Vimeo, a super handy tool for following along with videos, reviewing lectures, or finding a specific content without having to rewatch the entire thing. The first step is to log in Vimeo. Make sure you are logged in with your credentials. This is important because certain features like transcripts are only available to logged in users. Second step is to find and play video. As the video begins to play, keep an eye out for the transcript button typically located just below the video player. It might not be obvious at first glance, so look closely. So here you can see the transcript button. By click on it, panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing full scripts, mm, video plays, and the text highlight in real time. This is great if you are multitasking or want to catch every word without missing it. You can also search something by click on this search icon, and here you can search a word or phrase. This is super useful for students, researchers, or professionals trying to find key points in long form videos. You can also it, customize the settings by changing language or showing timestamps. And if you don't see the transcript options, that likely means the video creator has not enable it. Unfortunately, in that case, you won't able to access the transcript unless they have added it manually or through captions. And that's it. You now know how to use Vimeo's transcript features to follow along, search, and customize your viewing experience. Whether you are reviewing a class lecture or analyze business presentation, this tool make learning more accessible and efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.